Episode 47, let's go. Unfortunately, it's a little late because I got distracted, but I will try to do my best to actually make some kind of progress this episode. So, what I want to do is make it so that the game doesn't start until you press spacebar. And then, um, yeah, and I just want to do that for every single time every single time there's a new game, and uh, not, not when it's at around, like, not when it's before around past the first one. Okay. Yep. I'm just trying to formulate my thoughts here. And then I also want to, I don't think I'm going to be able to do that this episode. I'll probably just do it in tomorrow's episode. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna have to make a volume slider at some point on the pause menu. I mean, it's not gonna be a pause menu, it's gonna be a start menu, but the game will be paused anyway, so uh firstly I'm gonna make a new label here. I really, yeah, for the future, for future projects, I really just have to remember to actually, um, yeah, I really just have to remember to actually put all of my labels into one node and then have the script play on the node, not have one script for every single node because that's really not a that's not efficient. That's not computationally efficient. Okay, great. Let's get uh this one here. Oops, this one. And I do want I do want the font to be this. You know what? Do I want it to be bold? No. And I do want it to be kind of small. So it's going to say press space to start. And the text will stay that way. So I might actually put it under this here. Yeah. You know what? I will. Um, I just need to know how to queue free something, actually. And really, I don't need to actually put this on the prefab version. Um, yeah, like, I kind of never needed to do that, to be honest, because there's not going to be more than one ball. In this project, there's not going to be more than one ball, but in other projects, there might. Um, so font size. Oh, it's literally going to have to be 8. Okay. Never mind. Why? And this is probably fine. I mean, whatever, seems good enough. If I play that, it's going to, oh, yeah. So, uh, yeah, if I play that, it's gonna full screen. I completely forgot. So I will change that to windowed. Change that back to windowed. That's pretty funny actually. Okay, nice. So now I just have to um oh yeah, I can just do label.queueFree. Okay, never mind. So I'm gonna change this to start prompt, I guess. That's fine. That's good enough. Then I'm gonna go into my hmm. Yeah, it should work. It should work. This should work pretty well. Uh, like it should be pretty easy to do it. Obviously, I don't know why. I don't know why I said this should work pretty well. Yeah, it should be pretty easy. Okay. Do I want to do an input or do I want to do a do I want to put it in process? Is the real question. Hmm. Okay. Did I say put it in a function? I'm kind of tired. I'm kind of tired. I'm may not be saying all the correct things right now. So, do I want to put it in a signal or do I want to put it in process? Okay. I don't actually even know if there's a signal for it. Okay. Hmm. What would it connect from? Would I just have to make a signal? Would I have to make input event? No. Wait. Input event. What when an input event occurs? Okay, that is not it. I just want yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a built-in signal, right? I'm gonna look it up. That is not what I meant to do. That is not what I meant to do whatsoever. Okay, I meant to do this. Input. Oh, nice. I can actually, it's actually, wait, wait a second. Oh, this is, okay, I see. Yeah, I can do input, okay. On, it's gonna be a, signal. That's a 3D, that's a node 3D. Oh, okay, so there is an input event. Wait, no. That's that's not it. I don't think. It's none of these. I don't think it's any of these. On input. Audio. No. It's a built-in signal. I know I could just go to the Brackeys video, but I don't want to. Visual shader node. No. Animation. No. Animation node. Okay, input event key, input event mouse. Okay, am I missing something? Editor plugin, no. Window input, no. Maybe there's a button pressed. Okay. Yeah, maybe there's a button pressed. No, no, no. Do I seriously have to look this up? Nah. I'll look it up. I'll look it up.
And now we get an error because we respond to our actions. To thing that is bar play right to my I'm gonna press this space, then underscore input, create an input function. We'll write func for function, underscore input, and let's hit enter to autocomplete. Now, just like ready, this is one of the built-in functions of Godot. But instead of being called at the start of the game, it runs every time the game receives any input, such as when we press a button. Event is what we call the information about what triggered the function. Was it a movement?
It's a built-in function. Not a built-in signal. Okay. Nice. All right. Great. So now I can just do I can actually just get rid of this. Well, no. No, I actually can't. Never mind. Okay. I'll put it under ready. That's fine. Sure. Okay. Why wasn't I finding that? What is this? Where does this go up to? Node. Method. Okay. I see. I see. Um, should be what? I don't have to call anything special for this, right? Okay. Oh. Never mind. Yeah, I'm a little bit out of it today, actually. Um, so now I can actually do. I'm gonna have to make some if statements here. I'm gonna have to do this here, then that. What? 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 Oh, I'm trolling. Hmm. Okay, I am completely forgetting. I'm completely forgetting what I'm supposed to do here. Hmm. Wow. What am I? How do I not remember this? I'm gonna have to look it up. I'm gonna have to look it up again. Yeah, I'm really kind of out of it. I'm really out of it. That's okay.
Of the mouse or the
Nice. Sure, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, it's this. I have to do this. And I actually have to create a global variable here called um uh actually I don't. Never mind. Never mind. I do not. Oh, actually, I have to do this first. Or do I? Yeah, I could just actually put this all into one, so it doesn't matter. Actually, on ready. Oh yeah, I need to do this. Dot right score equals 0. Then I need to do um, start prompt dot queue free. And I can just do this if this and this. Okay, sorry, just my dad. Do I want to make this? Hmm. Do I want to delete this or do I want to make it invisible? Yeah, I will just, yeah. I'll just do that. That should be easy, I think. Just copy that. Then I can do that. And then I can do, yep, then I can just do this. I think that should work, right? Wait, what? If this isn't visible, hmm, no. Okay, so if this isn't visible, then this triggers. Is this gonna be wait, is this an infinite? Is this an infinite loop? Is the real question. So this one is just saying if the sum of the scores is 0, then it makes the start prompt invisible. Uh, why did I add that? I forgot why I added this. It'll come to me. It'll come to me. Oh, because it would just keep doing it if it wasn't in the same spot. So I don't really need this. Yeah, if it wasn't in the middle, it would just keep doing it. Uh, checks to see if the ensures that the vector change only happens in the ball is centered. Okay, that's good enough, I think. Yeah. Okay. And this. Hmm. So this also needs to do that. Mm-hmm. Okay, so this ensures that it does it past the first round. And this timer only activates. Yeah, this timer only activates here. So. Okay, if it's. Oh, okay. No, that's not it. How many timers does this thing have? I forgot. Bruh. It only has one. Wait, so. Huh? Oh. Wait a second. How did I. What? Oh, okay, so this reloads. Okay. Yeah. So this Wait, what? Okay. Ball crosses boundary. Sets the visibility to false. Direction changes to 0. Score change. Score change emits. And that just changes the score. That's it. That's all it does. Then the position is set equal to not 0, 0. And then if the timer, or if the score, if either of the scores are equal to 3, then the timer lasts for 7 seconds. And if all the other times it only lasts for 2 seconds. And then when the timer goes off, wait, when does the scene change? This should be here. Okay, perfect. Be that should be good. Okay, so yep, the timer starts. Yep, and because the timer auto starts, where is it? Because the Can I do this? Can I do this? Wait, can I do both? Okay, so can I do this? No. How can I change this from... Hmm. How can I change the timer from here? Do I actually have to go into the ball here? I guess so. Okay, so since it auto starts and it's a one shot, wait. Yeah, since it auto starts and it's a one shot, that means as soon as the game starts, so this is not like that. Wait. Hmm. Oh, okay, I see. Yes, that's correct. So, that's not it. So this only happens one time. So this is not correct. So, ensures that the scene reload only happens when the ball isn't centered. Okay, so this is correct. So if it's centered, then it goes bam. Okay, and then when it goes out of bounds, the timer restarts, and because it's not centered, it goes else, and it goes bam. Okay, nice. Yep. So that should work. Okay. What? Also, I realized I could just do this as well. Uh, what? This is visible to begin with. Okay, thank you. No, that's not right. Okay. Yeah. There you go. That should be it, I think, probably. Yep. Yay, playtesting. Okay, let's just have left win. Wow, it actually works. Nice. Is that hitting in some weird place? I feel like that's hitting in a weird place. Maybe it's not. Nah, maybe I'm just tripping. I'm tired. Okay, is that all I'm gonna do this episode? Yes. All right. Yep, that's it for this episode. Thank you guys so much for joining me. That should have been episode 47, and you will all see me tomorrow.